like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm here with my Kong Wholesale kitchen, household goods and kitchen, and they're usually like Target brand. Oops. Now I pay, I think $79 for this box, something like that. And they do where if you subscribe, you get a cheaper amount, which is great. You know, because and I think it's actually like supposed to be like $101, but since I subscribe, I get it for like $79, so you save quite a bit. Okay, I have a Cuisinart whisk. With the kids coming back to school, this kind of stuff sells. And then we got sneaker deodorizers. Then we got a kitchen mat in blue. I think it's blue, yeah. It's in blue. That's my kitchen. And then we have soft grip kitchen shears. Then we have a corkscrew from OXO. And we have some more. These are Wilton brand baking cups. And here's a pair of tongs. Yeah, Daniel and Oki were playing with my spices, and bless her little heart, she did clean it all up. But she come and told me, Bub, you didn't clean up. He was playing with those, and I said it was okay because I had a bunch of them in my other cabinet where they can't get to. And I said, yeah, it's all right. And he said, so she come in and she said, Bub, you didn't pick them up. She said, I'll pick them up. I said, okay, you go pick them up, baby. And bless her heart, she did. She's a little strange little child. She's a clean freak. She just can't keep up with her brother and sister. And this is a bright room. And this is just a caddy. And this is Fulton Bag Company. And it's insulated lunchbox. And a lot of times they'll have stuff in these, but this doesn't feel like it does. So I'm not even going to open it because it's on the zipper. So that's probably why they didn't put anything in, because it's on the zipper. But they do a lot of times. If it's a lunch box or something, they'll fill it full too. Okay, then this is a mug set. It says, love ya, mean it. Those are cute. And then we have more of these gray towels. I've been getting these for about the last 6 months. They're Castellana oversized organic cotton bath towel. And they're great. They're nice. They're very nice. Here's another one. Oh, and this is just a little lace. Oh, it's a tumbler. I thought it was a vase. What do I know? And we got some washcloths to match our towels. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Look at that. That's cute. Sometimes these are more, and it's a woven pumpkin by Threshold, and it is cute. This stuff is Spritz backdrop, and it's red and silver, I think. But it's a bright backdrop for like a birthday party where you can take pictures. here's my paperwork. So I will, I don't know what it says while I got it here. 1 of 1. Yeah, this is, oh, this is the deluxe one. This is $93. Yeah, that one month they couldn't give me the deluxe one, so they gave me the other one. Okay, and then these are take-alongs. There's 2, which with the holidays coming, that'll be nice, because they ain't keeping my Tupperware. And then we have a sheet set. What size sheet is that? It's 100% cotton, 400 thread count. Queen. It's a queen size. So, sheets are expensive, but these are only 400 thread count. Mine are 1,000, because, you know. But college kids don't know any better, so go me. Honestly, my sister probably doesn't either, but. So anyway, that's my KK Wholesale. Come on back. Like, subscribe to the YouTube stuff. Bye.